I'll go a little bit slow also. Okay, first I'll give my introduction. Okay, my name is Shashwat Kumar Pradhan. Currently, I have 10-year experience in embedded system domain. Currently, I'm a team lead in as embedded system software development. So I worked in as Suraj mentioned, as I worked in HCL. Then currently, I'm working Robot Bosch as a lead engineer. So yeah, I am working in the field of embedded system. Then whenever we are talking about embedded system, all the fields like you can say microcontroller, then you can say IoT, then you can say Linux device driver, or you can say in so many domains like aerospace domain. And currently, since last 8 years, I'm working in automotive domain. So yeah, this is about me. So I'm going to give you the overview regarding the embedded system training, how it is, what it is basically, and how you can grow yourself in this domain, and what is the future there in this industry uh, for this particular topic. All these things I'll give the small scenario here, and in these 2 day sessions, and of course we'll do also some uh, projects related to this embedded system, so that it can help you to understand exactly what is embedded system and where exactly we are and how we can grab all these things in future. So this is the main content where we're looking for it in this 2 day training. So yeah, we'll start now. I hope everybody able to hear me, right? Yeah, somebody asking only audio or slides. It's not slides. We'll do everything in the live. I'll share my desktop. Whatever things will be there, we'll do here. So no need to worry about all the points, whatever. So either you are going for slide or not. Okay. So no issues. We'll start now. I'm going to share my screen. Once it is visible, just let me know.
Yes, of this it's visible.
Yeah, visible, right? Okay. Now, before going to start these sessions, I want it should be interactive. It's nothing that okay, I'll only tell the things and you people only listen the things. It's not a good one. I want it should be interactive so that everybody should interact and everybody should tell what they knew and what all these things. Okay. So fine. Yeah. So basically, I'll start now. Okay. What is embedded system? What you know about embedded system? Anybody have any idea? Anybody have any idea what is embedded system? You can tell. You can unmute your mic
So,
and you can. Yes.
so it's a combination or peripheral interconnection between any software and a hardware device.
Okay. It's good. Any other? Any other answer? Any other answer? Anybody wanted to give? Okay, fine. I'll ask one questions. Okay. I'll ask one question to everyone. Can you tell me the algorithm? Can you tell me the algorithm for killing a mosquito? How basically how you will kill a mosquito? Okay. You cannot say that okay, I'm using this mosquito coil or mosquito, all these things. This is not allowed. Tell me how you will kill a mosquito. Anybody, can you tell me the step-by-step process how to kill a mosquito? Anyone?
With racket.
With racket, right? Okay, fine. So first, you are a human being, right? You are a human being, so you have eyes. Yes or no? First, you will see it, right? First, you will sense. Okay, this is a mosquito. How you are sensing? You are a human being. You have eyes. All these things. So by using eye, you can tell that okay, it's a mosquito. First, what you are doing? First, you are doing the sensing. So first, what you are doing? First, you are doing sensing. Okay. Next, after sensing, what you are doing? Now you got to know that okay, it's a mosquito. Then what you will do? Suppose the yes, exactly. If suppose the mosquito is on the top of the fan, will you go there and will hit you? No, right?
No.
You have to wait whenever it will come to you. Yeah. If it's an elephant, Again, same thing you will do. Will you wait when it will come to you, then only you will hit? No, right? Because that is the elephant, that is a big animal, right? So mosquito means, mosquito cannot do anything. So whenever it will come to your place, then only you will hit. So what you are doing, you are just doing the planning. Okay. So you are doing planning. Okay. After sensing, okay, you got to know that this is a mosquito. After then you are doing planning. And once planning is done, what you will do? Suppose now mosquito came to your place. What you will do now? You will hit.
Then we take the action.
Yeah, you will take the actions, right? That is called execution. So basically that is called execution. Okay, first you are doing sensing, then you are doing planning, then you are doing executions, right? You are a human being, you are eating food, you are drinking water, all these things. Now think about a machine. Now think about a machine. What is there inside this the machine, so that they are doing all these things? So they are doing all these things. And you tell me one more thing. Whenever you are talking about any machines, something is very important. Without that, it will not work. What is that? Now think about your mobile phone. Think about your mobile phone. Your mobile phone will not work. Why it will not work? If there is no battery. If there is no battery, will your mobile phone will work? No, right?
No.
Same way. Same way for all the machine, all the devices. This is the very important thing. That is called power supply. That is called power supply. Now, this power supply is connecting to your sensing. This is connecting to your executions. Okay. So now, whenever you are talking all these things, okay. So now tell me one more thing. What is there in the sensing part? I'll give one small example. You are entering to one shopping mall. Whenever you are going to any shopping mall, automatically the door is opening. Yes or no? Everywhere. Now all the big shopping malls are there. Whenever you are going there, automatically the door is opening because there is a sensor. And the sensor will detect the object, and according to that, the door will open. So how you are doing sensing? So by using some sensor, by using some input device, Somebody raised hand. Yeah, you can tell me. T Rajesh raised hand. You have any concern?
Yes, there might be some technical issue. I'll just connect you back.
Everyone, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, sorry.
So your voice
Actually,
is not
power went
clear,
down.
sir.
So
It is breaking
now
in between.
is it properly? Now is it
No,
coming properly?
no, sir. It is breaking in between.
The voice is breaking a bit.
Still it's breaking?
It's okay now.
Is it coming now properly?
Yes,
Hello
sir.
everyone.
It is okay. It's okay now.
It's fine right now?
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, actually power cut happened, so that is the reason I
Your voice is breaking.
got disconnected. Okay. So I was sensors are there. There are some switches are there. You are still it's breaking. Still it's breaking.
Oh, it's fine now.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking to everyone. It's breaking still now.
It's a little bit, sir.
Yes, sir.
Give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. I'll just fix it. Just stay for 1 minute. I'll come back. 1 minute. I hope now it's coming clearly.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
fine. Okay. So yeah, then we'll come to planning part. Okay. In the planning part, what will happen? You are now engineers. Suppose whatever you will do the planning. Suppose you are writing a program for summations, integer a, integer b, integer sum, and sum equal to a plus b. You are telling. Okay. So whenever you are telling all these things, automatically the output will come as a summations, right? So whatever you will do the plan, according to that, it will work. Okay. Then the final part is executions. Okay. Then who is executing? Then who is executing? Something is there in the machine that is executing. Who is that? Who is that one? That may be a processor. Yeah. Yeah. Processor. So basically processor, either in processor, you can say it's a microprocessor, or you can say it's a microcontroller. Okay. Either you can say it's a microprocessor, or you can say it's a microcontroller. So anything. So if you are connecting, by using that one, you can connect all the output devices. By using processor, basically what will happen, whatever code you are going to write, whatever code you will write here, okay, whatever code you will write here in this section, in the planning session, whatever coding you are doing, yeah, and finally that code you are dumping to your controller part, you are dumping to your microprocessors or microcontroller. Then by using some devices, you are executing all these things. This total system is known as what? This total system is known as embedded system. Basically, I can say it's an automation system, or you can say embedded system. Yeah. Embedded system where you can see some hardware will be connected. Yeah. Here you can see some hardware will be connected, and you can see some software will be connected. Again, some hardware will be connected. Yes. So basically this is, I can say, hardware will be connected here, and here some software will be connected here, some software you're writing, and here finally again some hardware will be connected. So yeah, what you told from starting, embedded system. What is embedded system? It's the combination of both hardware and software. Hardware will not work without software. Simple. Because then how it will become automatically? How it will become automatically? In your home, whenever you are pressing the switch, then all your light is on. But that is not automatically, right? But how it will become automatically? If you are connecting some sensors and you are entering to your home, automatically light will on that time. Then only it will become automatic. Whenever it is coming to automatically, that time it will behave as embedded system. There are some hardware will be there, and there are some software will be there. So it's a basically combination of hardware and software. Now I'll give some examples. The first example, I'll give your mobile phone. You are using mobile phone in your day-to-day life. Yes or no? In the mobile phone, if you'll see, there are some hardwares are there, along with there are some softwares are there. Yeah, I'll give a small example. Whenever you are open your mobile phone, there is a touch screen. Okay, in the touch screen, if you are pressing Instagram, your favorite app, automatically Instagram is opening. Whenever you're pressing on Facebook, automatically Facebook is opening. Whenever you're pressing on game is opening. So touch screen is a hardware, and how that hardware is working? That hardware is working through some software. Whenever we will combine both the things, your hardware plus software, then it will become embedded systems. Okay. Nowadays, so many devices are there. You are wearing everyday smartwatch. That is also a combination of hardware and software, that is also embedded system. Your televisions, your refrigerator, everything nowadays, whatever electronics product you are using, all are the family of embedded system. So clear everybody, what is embedded system? It's basically combination of both hardware and software. And how its hardware and software is coming? Any hardware, whatever software we are going to write for that hardware, that will behave as embedded system. I hope everybody clear up to this.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now we'll come to in which all areas these embedded systems are there. In which all area these embedded systems are there. Okay. So what all the areas are there? So for embedded system, what all the areas are there? Which all, you tell me, in which field embedded systems are there? In every field. Now whatever you are talking about, now if you'll talk anything,
IoT.
automotive industry,
Aerospace.
everybody able to see my desktop?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so manufacturing equipment, then I'll take this domestic appliances.
Yes, sir.
Then I'll tell about domestic appliances. Okay, what is that in then I'll tell this audio and visual equipment. Then I'll talk about audio and visual equipment. Then I'll tell gaming sections, these gaming consoles. Okay, these gaming consoles. Then I'll tell about telecommunication equipment. Then I'll tell about, I can say, these medical devices. Then I'll tell about car. Then I'll tell about this car and vehicles. Then I'll tell about some motions, sensors. Then I'll tell about, in case of train, then I'll tell about finally the aerospace field. So in every field you are using embedded system. What is there coming in under manufacturing equipment? Now everywhere seeing all, they are constructing the roads, right? They are constructing the roads. Whenever you are telling about constructing the roads, so many vehicles are coming, so many automatic engines are coming, so many automatically vehicles are coming, which will doing automatically everything. Like you can say, consider crane, or you can consider some other vehicles. Okay, so in manufacturing equipment, so many devices are there, so many equipment they are producing, by which people are manufacturing all these things. Okay, then domestic appliances. Domestic appliances means, you can say, in your home, day to day, whatever you're using, you are using light, automatic light, you are using automatic light, you are using so many things, right? That is coming under domestic appliances. You are using refrigerator, you are using all these things, refrigerator, then you are using oven, you are using all these things, whatever day to day life you are using in your home. Then audio and visual equipment. Audio and visual equipment means, basically you are using all the, I can say, Alexa. It's coming under audio. This is also a pure embedded product. You are talking about all these things, laptop now, laptop, mobile phone, All these are coming audio and visual equipment, where also you are considering all the televisions. All these are coming under this, and gaming consoles. Whenever you are playing games, how you are playing games, there should be some platform. In that platform, you are playing the games. For that, remote is there. For that, so many devices are coming now for playing the games. Okay, so there also you are using this one. Then for telecommunication equipment, again, for telecommunication equipment also, so many things. Your mobile phone, your so many telecommunication devices are that is also coming there. For medical devices, now so many machines are coming, your ECG machines or your ECMO machines, or there are so many machines are there. Whenever you're going to, or simple example, I'll tell you, this temperature measurement machines, or there are so many machines are there in the basically in medical field. Now everything is controlled by software. Then car and vehicles, that is a very vast area now. Whenever you are seeing the car, whenever you are seeing any trucks, everything is controlled by the software, right? Now you must know about whenever accident is happening, whenever there is an accident, automatically your airbag is opening. Yes or no? How it is happening? Someone is opening that airbag? Someone is coming and opening that airbag? No. Then how it is happening? Anyone? Anyone have any idea how it's happening?
Due to the presence of the sensors.
Yeah, of course. So due to not presence, basically what will happen, there is a software and we are writing the software. Whenever that much pressure should be there, automatically the airbag is opening. Okay. Now there are so many features are there in car industry. So that is called ADAS features. ADAS features means automatically your vehicle is moving. You must see the advertise of XUV 700. Anybody saw the advertise of XUV 700? In XUV 700, what they're doing? There are four members. Yeah, autopilot. There are four guys are going for some travel. Okay. And they're playing card games inside the vehicle, and vehicle is moving automatically. That is coming under embedded system software. All these are coming under automotive vehicles. Okay. Then motion sensors, then train. In train also, all the rest. In train also, you are using some softwares. In aerospace also. In the aerospace also, there are so many. Whenever you are starting your journey, only the pilot is taking off and putting down. That's it. All the entire journey is happening through autopilot. And how autopilot is happening? That is through embedded software. And all the devices are connected inside the things. Everything is coming under embedded software. Yeah, somebody raised the hand. Any issue? Somebody has raised the hand. Anybody have any issue? No, right? I can continue. So now, again, I'll come to things. Again, I'll come to the part. How many domains are there? So whenever I'm talking about all these things, I think Suraj have started the introduction from here. There are so many domains. Yeah. So you know what all the domains are there in embedded system? Like consumer electronics. Okay. All the cars, vehicles, everything you are seeing, that is coming under automotive domain. And all the aeroplane, everything is coming under aerospace domain. And all these things you are coming under, all other things is coming, train, everything is coming under locomotive domain. Now tell me one thing, where you are not using embedded system. Now I think everywhere you are using embedded system. Yes or no? If I'll tell all the devices, all the fields, embedded system is used. Am I correct? Am I correct? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, I'll tell you, I'll give you small examples. Okay. Now, everybody are using smartwatch. Why you're using smartwatch? Can you give me the example? Can you give me the example why you're using smartwatch? Can you tell me why you're using?
We can connect. We can connect my phone. I can connect my phone to the watch, and I can see whatever the applications I'm using in my mobile, in my watch as well.
Yes.
So it's more handy. So that is one thing.
Yeah. So basically, you are trying to tell me that you are becoming lazy. Yes or no?
Of course, sir.
Yes. So nowadays, now in world, everybody are becoming lazy. You know why they are becoming lazy? Due to this embedded system domain. And after 5 years, people will become very, very, very lazy. They will not do anything. They will think that okay, so machine will be there. It will come. It will give me the food. It will feed me everything. Then only I'll go somewhere. I'll enjoy my life. Yes or no? How people are becoming lazy? That much embedded system is becoming strong. It's very true fact. How people are becoming lazy, that much embedded system becoming strong. I'll tell you one thing. If you're taking any simple language, only if you write the code, will it execute? No, it will not execute. It cannot be executed because for executing, some device should be there. For executing, some device should be there. If you don't have the device, then how you are going to execute? Yes or no? If you don't have the device, then how we are going to be execute? That is my questions. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is the future, and this is the future basically. And now all the cars are becoming automatic. All the car becoming electric, and everything is coming under embedded system. Everything is coming under embedded system. Clear? Everybody clear or not clear?
Clear,
Yeah.
sir.
Now tell me one more thing. If you'll ask me, what is the future of embedded system? This is the future of embedded system. If people are becoming lazy, and all the people, they want all the fancy products in their life, and they want to see fancy things in their life. Whenever they want to see fancy product, whenever they want to use fancy product, and whenever they're becoming lazy, then only this embedded system is growing more, deeper and deeper in every fields, not in only one field. I'm not talking about only automotive domain. Automotive domain is only for the vehicles. There are so many other domains are there. Now MI is also making smart shoes. If you are wearing the shoes, everything should be tracked. Unless it's a fancy product, right? It's a fancy product. Now everywhere. Now this COVID came. Now everything become automated. Automated sensor, automated temperature, measuring everything. So how people are becoming lazy, that much embedded system is becoming strong. So that is the future of embedded system. If you'll ask me where embedded system is used, I can say everywhere embedded system is used. Whenever you are seeing any devices which is working automatically, that is embedded system. Simple. Any devices. I'll give one small example. Okay. Now you are listening the music in your mobile phone. Yes or no? Whenever you are listening the music mobile phone, if call is coming, what will happen? Automatically music is going to stop, or you are stopping the music.
Yes, sir. There will be the interrupt.
There will be the interrupt. That is the feature of embedded system. That is the feature of embedded system. So basically all these things are there coming under embedded system. So nowadays it's becoming very, very strong. Embedded system is becoming very, very strong. Yeah. So if you'll tell me about the future of embedded system, of course I'll tell you the future is like anything for this. Yeah. If you'll tell me, ask me one more question also. If you are going to work, if you want to make your future in embedded system, then is it safe or not? Of course, you should tell your answer now. You have the answer in your own mind because you know how it's demanding, how it's going in the market, how it's trending in the market. So if you see all the scenarios, of course, it's a very safe domain where you can work, where you can learn, where you can enjoy. Okay. And one more thing. It's a very, 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 very good thing. Whenever writing the code, you don't know where the code is there. You don't know where your code is they are putting. But this is the domain. You write your code, you'll test your code, everything in the hardware, then you can see the result. Then you will see your satisfactions. Okay. So yeah, this is the domain where I'll tell you one more thing again. Very secure domain, very good domain, and learning wise also very good, and future wise also very, very, very good. Okay. Yeah, of course. Whenever I'm talking about this domain, which all companies are in this domain? What all companies are there in this domain? Can you tell me what is the companies are in this domain? Can you tell me at least one or two companies? Anyone?
Bosch,
Aptiv,
KPIT.
Robert Bosch.
Okay.
And Continental.
Okay.
CPIT.
Whatever name you told, right? They're only working for automotive. They're only working for automotive. There are so every companies now. Now every
Yes.
companies have embedded system. I'll come from the top. Okay. You can consider Google. Now what they're doing? They're making Google Mini, Google Hexa, all these things. Google is there. Amazon is there. Yeah.
Apple.
Apple is there. Microsoft is there. Yeah. All the big companies, I'll start from there and I'll go to lower end companies. Every companies now they are working in embedded system. All consider your Dell. Yeah. Consider Cisco. Yeah. You consider your any
Intel,
company.
sir.
Intel also a very big company. Okay. You
Linux,
can
sir.
everything. XYZ.
AMD.
AMD, all the companies. Now, whatever products you are seeing from each companies like HP, AMD, or you can say Qualcomm. Qualcomm is also very big company. They're paying very big amount whenever getting job there. Yeah. And these are company. And in automotive, there are so many company. As I told Bosch, as you told Aptiv, as you told again,
Tata Elxsi.
Continental, Tata Elxsi, so many Mahindra Satyam, Mahindra. So many companies are there. Okay. Again, coming under these things. Okay. It's not about only one company. So it's about so many vast companies are there in this domain. Wherever, if you are Indian companies also like HCL, I can say Wipro, L&T, all companies now working in embedded system domain, because now this is that much vast domain and everybody are working for this product. Okay. So this is the future. And this is a very good safe future also, where there is no risk. Basically, there is no risk. You'll go work, enjoy the work and come. And you are working for some pure product. And yeah, of course, this is a very safe domain. It's coming about. So you got to know what is embedded system, what is the future of embedded system, what all companies are in the embedded system. Then what you will do for getting all these things. That is the main thing, right? If you listen all these things, what will happen? Only you'll get motivated. Yes or no? If you listen all these things, only you'll get motivated. But what you will do for all these things? What are the things required for all these things? Okay, there are two things. Okay, there are a very common point. If you are a fresher, for you, no much things required. Only there are two things required. One is embedded system knowledge. It's coming whenever I'm talking about embedded system, it's coming that microcontroller and it's all feature. Yeah. What is that? All features? Like I can say GPIO. I can say timer.
Memory.
Yeah, I can say memory. I can say counter. Then I can say ADC. Then I can say all the communication protocol. So all these things are coming under what? Embedded system knowledge. The second thing. What is the second thing? Programming language. Okay. Without programming language, all these features will not run. These features will run. Okay. All the features, whatever I'm telling, it will run through some programming language. Yes or no? If you write the code, then only it will happen. If you will not write the code, then how it will run? Yeah. So then which programming language? Now you in your mind, which programming language I should learn? Will I learn all the language or will I learn one or two languages is sufficient? So fast language is very, very important. That is C language. Apart from C, you can go for Python. You can go for C++. You can go for Java. But the common language is C. If you know C, everything is perfect. If you don't know this one, then it's very difficult to sustain in this domain. Okay, it's very difficult to sustain in this domain. So programming language is most required. Suraj, you have to tell something?
Sir, for this embedded system, there is a programming called as embedded C, right?
Yeah, that is actually C and embedded C both are basically same. Okay.
So we have to use, if we use that.
Sorry? Can you repeat again? I'm not able to hear. Other people are able to hear?
No, sir.
I think he has connectivity issues.
Yeah, your question I got to know. You're told for embedded system you have to use embedded C, right? Yeah, it's correct. Basically, C and embedded C both are same. Okay. Some concepts are there in embedded C, which mainly you are using in embedded system. So basically, but the concept is same. Okay. How you are defining, how you are declaring, how you are defining function, how you are declaring functions, everything is same. Only some features are there. Automatically, you will get to know once if you are strong in C, that part automatically will come to your mind. So there is no doubt for learning all these things. Okay. So yeah, so these are very, very important things. Okay. So yeah, whenever you are going for any interview also, whenever you are going for any interviews for this domain job, first they will ask about C questions. First they will ask about this C or embedded C questions. If you are good, if you are well enough good, then they will come to this part. Then they will come to this part. Simple. 60 to 70% questions. 60 to 70% question they will ask from here. 60 to 70% they will ask from here. If you are good enough, then they will come to here. It's very, very much clear. If you are good here, then they will come to here. Clear? So now, so this is very important. So that is the reason I'm telling this is very important. Then we'll discuss about something in embedded C today. Another whatever time is there, we'll discuss about embedded C today. Then tomorrow we'll discuss about all other things, how to start with embedded systems. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss how to start with embedded system concepts. Today we'll discuss about some concept of embedded C. Clear? Yeah. Everybody are agreeing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Before going to this, I just wanted to ask one thing to you people. Before going to this, I just wanted to ask very, very basic questions. I have a character variable A. I have a character variable A. Clear? I have a variable character variable A. Can I give some value like 120? 120?
No, sir.
Can you give
Yes,
value
sir.
90?
It can
Yes,
hold
sir.
only one digit.
Okay. Now, can I print with percentile D?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You can give whatever you want. You are giving character equal to 90 and you are printing as 90. Yeah. Now tell me here I'm giving 1 digits. Whatever you are telling 1 digits, I'll give here. Okay. That is not a character. That is the integer value. Can I, this is a character I'm defining. Can I print with percentile D?
Yes, sir.
But it returns
So
ASCII.
basically use the ASCII value.
So change
Yeah.
ASCII value.
So my question is, can you do it or not? Yes, you can do it. Right?
Yes.
Now the next questions. What is the value will come? If I'm doing A equal to A plus 5, what value will come?
So 130.
Overflow.
What value will come?
130.
This is the answer. How it's coming minus 126? In C, you are not.
Change ASCII value.
Yeah, signed and unsigned.
Yeah.
No, sir.
So
First of all, he converts 125 in ASCII value character. Now it is at 5.
simple. It will not convert anything.
Sir, when the character जैसे कि character 125 या I think ऐसे कुछ वैल्यू तक जाता है, उसके बाद वो फिर से वो अगली वैल्यू से रिपीट करता है, जैसे कि माइनस से उसका रेंज होता है माइनस टू प्लस, तो वो प्लस के बाद
it's correct. It's correct. Whatever you're telling, it's correct. Basically, see, all these things are very, very important in embedded system. Yeah, because embedded system means whatever things you are carrying, it should be perfect. Otherwise, if it will give another value, now you are there in flight. Okay, Now you are there in flight. Now flight is expecting some value, something. And if you are giving some other value, what will happen? You will die there only. Yes or no? In the flight, so in the aeroplane, we have written some code. And you are expecting some value 125. Yeah, we are expecting some value 130. We are expecting some value 130. I'll stop give the conditions. Whenever the value is 130, that means what will happen? I'll tell just if value is 130, just go and land down. Yeah. Otherwise, there will be a risk. Now, suppose you are doing character 125 and you are not getting 130. Instead of 130, you are getting minus 126. That time, whatever condition you are writing, it's not valid. Yes or no? That time you will not go to the down. Automatically you go somewhere and your flight will crash. If you do all this kind of mistake in the programming, then how it will work? That is my main concern. So all these things are very, very important in embedded system concepts. I'll tell you this how it came. Okay, basically. So there are two kind of things. Okay, one is signed and one more is unsigned. One is signed and one more is unsigned. So signed means what? Signed means what? It means always -2. The value is from negative to positive. The value is from negative to positive. Unsigned means what? Always the value is from 0 to
only positive.
Yeah. If I'm talking about character, what is those? Okay. If I'm not mentioning anything here, that means it's by default signed. If I'm not mentioning anything here, that means signed. If I'm writing unsigned character, then the by default value is here. It is unsigned. If I'm not mentioning anything, then by default is signed. Clear? So character is how many bytes? Character is always 1 byte. Character is always 1 byte. Now tell me 1 byte equal to how many bits?
8 bits.
8 bits.
Equal to 8 bits. So the value is always, then what is the value? The value is always 2 to the power 8. How many bits?
2 to the power 8 minus 1.
2 to the power 8. First consider 2 to the power 8. Okay. So it's now coming 256. 256. Okay. If it is starting from 1, then it's 256. Okay. But I'm starting from 0 here. If I'm starting from 0, what? 255. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is in case of unsigned. It is in case of unsigned. In case of signed, what? It will divide into two parts. Half part will go from minus, half part will go from plus. Yes or no?
Yeah, 0 to 127 is positive.
Yeah, so 256, basically you make it 2. Then what is value coming? 128. So basically the range is from minus 128 to 127. This is the range. Now what will happen? Now this is your circle, suppose. This is your circle. Okay?
Sir, it's not audible, sir.
This is not audible.
Sir, we can hear.
I think I have connected with 5G band. So I think it should be connected. It should be, yeah, in between I was connecting through my mobile phone when internet was not there. That time it was not audible. But I think now it should be audible.
So it is audible now, sir.
Okay. So always the value will start from where? Minus 127. And yeah, minus 127, it will somewhere, it will go like this, minus 126, minus 125, like this will go. Somewhere it will become 0. And somewhere it will become 90. Yeah. And finally the value, it will be ended with what? Sorry, minus 128. This is not 127. This is 127. And this is minus 128. Okay. This is minus 128. It will starting point and this is my ending point. Now suppose what is the value here? 125. What is the value here? 125. Now I'm adding 125 plus 5. Then what will happen? It's basically it should come 130. It should come, practically it should come 130. Yes or no? But what is coming? It will go up to 127. It's going up to 127. That means 126, 127, 2 value gone. Another 3 value is there. Another 3 value, 1 minus 128, minus 127. Then finally it will reach to minus 126. So this is the output will come. Minus 126. Clear everyone? Everybody clear? This kind of question they will ask in interviews. Why I'm asking this time of things? For interview purpose, it's important. And whenever you're writing the code also, that time it's important. There are so many concepts are there. It's nothing only one concepts. Okay. It's nothing about only one concept. There are so many concepts are there. Okay. Suppose here you are telling, suppose I have given here H. Okay. Then I want to print with percentile D. What will happen? H is a character. H is a character. Can I print with percentile D? Yes, you can print with percentile D. Whenever you are H, you are printing with percentile D, it will give the equivalent integer number. So this is the equivalent integer number. So there is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong. Clear, everyone? Yeah? So
Yes,
there are
sir.
so many concepts are there. Not only these concepts. There are so many concepts are there in the C. You have to learn it properly. If you're not learning, it's very difficult for you to move forward in embedded system domain. Yeah, it's very difficult. Okay, the concepts like functions. Okay, the concepts like function pointer. Function pointer is used nowadays too much in embedded system domain. You have to learn all these concepts. Function, then function pointer, structure, then what is structure padding, what is union, then what is array of pointer, then what is pointer, all these things. What is volatile keyword, in the C, what is macro, all these, so many things are there. Okay, in the C language. You have to learn it properly. If you learn it properly, of course, everything will become easy for you. Okay, everything will become easy for you. Yeah, and this is the very, very important things where you can learn so many things. Okay, I'll ask one question. I'll ask one simple questions. Okay, I'll ask you one simple questions. Okay, my question is very important question and interview questions. My question is, suppose I have a value integer a. Okay, suppose the value is 0x. I'm writing in hexadecimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? How many bytes? This is 1 byte. This is 2 bytes, 3 bytes, 4 bytes. Total 4 bytes are there. What I want the answer? I want the answer as, this is my value. Okay, integer a. This is my integer a value. I'm giving it. And I want the answer. What answer I want? I want the answer each 1 byte. I want to print each byte in the screen. How I'll do it? Anybody? Now the time is 6:25. Now the time is 6:25. First listen my question. Now the time is 6:26. I'll only give you 2 minutes time. 6:26. I should expect the answer as 6:28. Who will give this answer? I'll give him pre-C training. I'll give him or her pre-C training in my training sessions. The question is, this is a variable. Okay, this is a variable. This is an integer variable. I want to print each byte in the screen. I want to print each byte in the screen. This is 1 byte.
Make an array.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me the answer. If you'll tell pointers, if you'll tell array, if you'll tell structures, I don't understand. This is not expectable.
The matrix.
You tell me the answer here. You can tell me, send me the answer in chat box. Not array. If you'll tell me array, pointers, again I'm telling it, I'm helpless. Using all the concepts, you can do it. I just want the answer from you. Percentile x, if you'll do, you'll get the answer as 0x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll not get it. If anybody have presence mind, if you'll tell the answer, I'll give the complete free C training in these things. You have to print each byte. You have to print each byte. How you'll print it? Tell me. I knew you have to print each byte. That is my answer. That I want. If you'll print percentile C, it will not happen.
Yeah.
Try it and tell me.
Take the pointer and assign the address of A to that and typecast with the character.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Yeah, take the pointer and assign the address of A
Can you
to the
write it in the
pointer.
chat box?
Yes, sir.
Already time is done. If you write in the chat box the answer, still I'll it's acceptable. What is that PTR?
Hello, sir. I'm Naresh Kumar.
Yes.
Yes. Sir, I think it cannot print, sir, because we give only integer format. No.
Yeah.
X is not a print. 0, 1, 2, 3. I think it is an invalid, sir.
It's not invalid. 0x means it's hexadecimal representation.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
For hexadecimal representation, you can use percentile x to print.
Oh, okay.
And in embedded system domain, maximum things are there.
Okay,
Sir. Hello,
Okay,
sir.
time's off. Already 4 minutes done. Yeah, anybody's telling something. Can you tell me?
Sir, multiply the number with 00011, sir. We get the first byte, sir. And same repeat the same thing with the other bytes, sir. Then we get the other bytes also, sir.
You know from where you got this answer. I'll tell you also. But whatever things, I am also much clever than that. If you do if you'll do with 0xFF, you know what will happen. I'm giving you can see how many digits I'm giving. How many digits I'm giving? I'm giving there are 4 bytes, but you are only telling about FF 2 bytes. Okay, no issues. We'll discuss so many things like this. Okay, so these are the C concepts, so many things. It's very, very important. Please go through all the C concepts. Okay, so today already it's 1 hour gone. So my tomorrow agenda is very clear. Tomorrow agenda is I'll take around 1.5 hour something, where I'll start a mini project where I'll tell how to install the software and how to start with do the coding for an embedded product. Tomorrow we'll do 2-3 examples, 2-3 projects we'll do here only in the live. We'll do everything and everybody will do. So for that, I'm requesting to everyone, please install one software. The software name is Keel. The software name is Keel. Okay. Everybody, today you install the software in your PC. Tomorrow we'll do the practicals. 2-3 projects we'll do. 2-3 practicals we'll do. I'll start from very scratch. I'll tell how to start writing code. Then I'll tell how we'll do the projects. Then how we'll do the simulations. Everything we'll do today, tomorrow. Okay, there are 2 softwares. One is Keel and one more is Proteus. 2 softwares. Try to install today night so that we can do the project tomorrow. And how you'll get these 2 softwares? There are 2 things here. Directly go to the things, search Keel. Directly search Keel. Automatically it will take you the original site of Keel. Okay, so Keel downloads. This is the original site for Keel. This is a product of ARM Keel. Then you go to the product downloads. Okay, then go to the product download. Then you go to C51. You can mention here. You can see here C51 here. Go here. Okay, put your all the details Here put your all the details, everything you put all the details, okay, and submit it. Put all the details and submit it, okay. And once you'll submit, then automatically the software will get downloaded and you install that one. These two are very, yeah, Keel is ID, yeah, of course. Keel Microvision 4, 5, 6, 7, anything is fine. What are the latest things, you take it, okay. Meanwhile,
Sir, Keel UVision, sir.
Yeah,
Keel UVision.
Keel Microvision, that is called, okay. Keel Microvision, but directly you can, I'll tell you I'll send you the link also to you people, basically, so that from there I already told how to go there. Go to keel.com, okay. Go to first Keel downloads here. If you search Keel in the Google, it will come Keel downloads. Go to the here directly, then it will come product downloads. Go to product downloads. Then whenever you are going to product downloads, then go to C51 and you fill all the details, then download the software. I'm sending these things in chat box also. You can go through it. And same way for Proteus, there are so many sites. There are so many sites are there. From there you can check it. Okay, this is the Proteus 8.1. There are so many sites. You are very smarter than me. You can download it. You can install it. Okay, I knew you are very smarter than me. So I'm giving this responsibility to you people. You guys, you can download it and you can install it. If you download and install tomorrow sessions, it will be really interesting. I'm telling you again. No need to go outside, do the project for your final year. If you are studying BTech final year, okay, whatever knowledge I'm going to give tomorrow, by using that, you can do multiple projects. You can do multiple projects. You can create multiple projects. Tomorrow, I'll give you the path, how to start and how to proceed for next. Okay, so don't miss tomorrow's sessions. Today's session, it will be a little bit theoretical. I wanted to tell what is the scope, how everything is going in the market. But tomorrow you are really going to start the embedded system programming along with embedded system projects. Yeah. So today this much. Anybody have any doubt from your side regarding today's sessions? Regarding today's sessions, anybody have any doubt?
Sir, answer for the last question.
Which answer for the last questions? Whatever C questions I have asked?
C, yes, sir.
Yeah, you can check. You can search in Google. Automatical answer, you will get it. Okay, I'm telling you here. Find each byte from given integer C programming. There are so many ways out there. Okay, you can use pointers. You can use so many things. This is the one way. Extracting bytes. This is one side. Stack Overflow. There you'll get it. You'll get the answer from Greek for 6. This is the very, very important sites. Basically, from here also you'll get the answers. Okay, you can go through you'll get your answers. There are so many ways are there. You'll get it. If you're not getting it, let me know. I'll explain you tomorrow. First, you try. If I'll tell everything, if I'll feed you, then what you learn? That is a life. If you wanted to learn, you learn yourself. From there are so many sources are there. Okay, I can guide you from where you will get it. I can tell you. Yes. So yeah, we'll discuss. No issues. Tomorrow also there we'll discuss. If you are not getting these answers, we'll discuss. There are so many questions are there. If I'll ask one by one questions, it will not never ending stories. Okay. Yeah, you can search there. Yeah, if you have any doubt also, you can contact me in LinkedIn. You can contact me in LinkedIn. I'll give you the solution there. Okay. Fine. This is my LinkedIn ID, Saswat Kumar Pradhan. You will search. You will get me there. You can see I'm working in Robot Boss. You can see there. So you will get me here. So basically, yeah, today this much. Is there any doubt? Any other doubt? Is there any other doubt?